Why duplicate music files matter.
Duplicate music files can clutter your computer, waste valuable storage space, and make organizing your music collection a challenge. By identifying and removing these redundant files, you can keep your library tidy and reclaim storage for other important files or new music.
Manually searching for duplicates.
Start by opening your music folder and sorting files by name, artist, or size. Look for identical or similar file names and listen to short samples to confirm duplicates. This manual method takes time but is reliable for small collections and gives you control over what's deleted.
Using built-in tools on your computer.
Both Windows and Mac offer basic tools to help spot duplicates. On Windows, use File Explorer's search and sort features. On Mac, Finder can filter files by name or size. These built-in options are a good place to start before using third-party software.
Specialized software for detecting duplicates.
For larger music libraries, dedicated software can save time. Popular options include Duplicate Cleaner for Windows and Gemini 2 for Mac. These tools scan folders, compare audio files, even with different names, and let you review duplicates before deleting.
Safely removing duplicate files.
Before deleting, review the list of duplicates to avoid accidental removal of important tracks. Move files to the recycle bin or trash so you can recover them if needed. Consider backing up your music collection before making changes for extra peace of mind.
Tips for keeping your library organized.
Regularly check for duplicate files and keep your music collection organized by artist and album. Use consistent naming conventions and consider storing music in one main folder. These habits make future duplicate searches easier and help maintain a clean, efficient library.